Oh, I've been waiting 3 hours for this. Oh my god, I love my hair. Yeah, good enough. Alright. So basically, you know, there's something like it's a squishy, I think. So I was just playing around with my pencil, you know, just playing around, playing around with it, just making some, just okay. And then there's just this box, this box that appeared on my doorstep there, and I was like, oh, okay. And there was a knife too. I was like, okay. And I'm cutting towards myself because I know that this box is a squishy. And you see, I'm gonna open it now. Oh my god. Let's go. I didn't get scammed. I didn't freaking get scammed. Yo, all the other comments were like, oh my god, I got the wrong item. Guess what I got? Soft and slow squishies, bro. It's a wolf. And it's slow. And it's soft. What am I saying? Okay, we're using a knife. Yeet, yeet. Yo, hold on. Watch this, watch it. Yeet. Okay. It's a little wolf. It's a little wolf. Oh, it's so squishy. People say it smells bad, but what are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? It smells like my farts. Amazing. Dude, and they say it was dirty, but look. You think this is dirty, bro? Look at this fur and these legs. And, oh my god. Look at it. Look how soft and slow it is. Like, you squeeze it, and look how slow. You see? You see, bro? That's so cool. Soft and slow, bro. Ultra squishy. This is an ultra size. This is the biggest size ever. Improved formula. Soft and slow squishies. Animal Pals series number 2. Bro, I told you. I thought I was gonna get scammed. Because I had 2.5 stars. But guess what? I had to wait 6 days for this. 7, actually. 7 days for this thing. 1 week. 1 week. 1 week. So worth it, though. $20? Like, what are you talking about? 20. Oh. Oh. So squishy, bro. So squishy. So squishy. Just listen to it. Hello? Hello? This is the Ultra Soft. Ultra Squishy. Soft and slow squishies. Slow rise Ultra Soft Wolf. And it's new. This is rare. This is a rare squishy. They ran out of stock. They don't have these in stock no more. They don't have these in stock. You think they got these in stock? No, they don't. Look at the ears. Look at the little ears. I'm done with this. I'll see you guys later. Yo, he's gone? He's gone? Dude!